Massage therapy is flexible. You can work on the weekend, you can work during the week. It pays well per hour. Some places have good benefit and some places have just higher rate of pay. You can get into the health field. It's only a year program. So in a year, you're ready to step out and start giving massages. The field is actually exceeding expectations in its growth. And the US labor statistics say that it's growing at 15% between 2024 and 2034, which is more than most other occupations. I've always had the theory that doing a collaborative effort between myself and the teachers help make this program a better place, because we all come from very diverse backgrounds. So the teachers are here because they really are passionate about the field of massage, and they want to give back. They want to help people get into that field in the best way they can. The students get to practice their skills right away in the first semester here and at home, and the second semester in our school clinic, and then the third semester at school and outside in businesses with whom we have affiliations. What are they ready for? They're ready for being a massage therapist. They get all the information they need here to pass the national exam. They get information on how to get their license. And once they are licensed, they can go right into a massage therapy clinic and either start their own, or they can also be an employee. And in one of our courses, we actually help them understand the differences between those two. And we have, because we're so connected to the community, different businesses in the profession, they are on our advisory board, and we get lots of great information on what to expect at an employment, or what to expect if you're opening your own business. So they get all that information to be confident about stepping out this door into the career that they've wanted.